My ESC repair seems to be doing good. I'm happy. ESC test, repair, check. Everything seems to be working good with my my little repair job on the ESC. Like, everything's working normal, so I'm pretty happy about that. All the ESCs are about the same temperature. The repair job isn't any hotter actually. So anyways, so I'm kind of happy that I actually was able to repair this. So yay. Anyways, let's keep flying. Unfortunately, my flying was cut short today due to my propellers deciding that they wanted to eat my my RX antenna. So it looks like I got a big chunk snipped off on this side, and I'm not sure. I might be able to repair this, but I might have to buy a new receiver. Anyways, I guess these were just too flimsy, and I should have had like some sort of elastic band holding these like this or something, I guess. But anyways, that sucks.